So hello friends, good evening, welcome back to the channel. So ഇന്നോട്ട് നമ്മൾ മാക്സിമം ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലായിരിക്കും ഇൻട്രഡേ ഇക്വിറ്റി വീഡിയോസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. കാരണം മാക്സിമം ദിവസങ്ങളിൽ മാക്സിമം റീച്ച് കിട്ടാനുള്ള ഒരു കൺസെപ്റ്റിലാണ് നമ്മളങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ എന്തെങ്കിലും തെറ്റുകുറ്റങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ക്ഷമിക്കുക. സോ എന്തായാലും let's go back to the video. So today is 18/02/2021. So we gonna discuss about the topics for tomorrow. So before that we can discuss about the current status of yesterday's peak. So let's go to the video. Hello friends, so let's discuss about yesterday's peak. So first peak was Ambuja Cement. How Ambuja Cement properly performed in our own way because it got hit our first target in the morning second candle itself. So it was a proper breakout in the morning session. Then it pulled back inside our level and then gave us another tradable breakout. It got past our first target and then consolidated for a few hours, and after that there was another pullback towards the proper resistance zone, then reject from that area. So properly we have got three tradable opportunities. First was the breakout right here to the target, which is the green line. Then after that there was another breakout after the price enter inside our range, which actually fall down beyond our first target, but having reached our second target, which is it gave us a handsome return of 3.25 points, which is really nice for intraday. And after that it came to our resistance zone and got purely rejected from that zone. So there was another tradable opportunity. In total we got perfectly tradable three opportunities in Ambuja Cement, which was completely tradable. So that was the case of Ambuja Cement. So next pick was ITC. So in ITC we got a proper breakout in the morning session, which was right here, which was a pure breakout, and we can scale it. It was like around 1%, which is 1.85 points, which was a pure tradable breakout opportunities. And after that, after noon it fell down and took support over our support zone, okay, over this zone. And also there was another breakout right here, which was also scalping opportunities, which I am not counting actually. So it was the case of ITC, which successfully completed the trade with one proper trade. And after that it was Godrej CP. In Godrej CP there was no breakout, but still there was a proper tradable opportunity, which is right here in our support zone. So price shoot up in the morning, and not in the morning, it was yesterday's price was consolidating in the morning, and at a certain point it fell down, it shoot down, and it took support right out our support level. There was so much of confirmation, which is wicks and price rejections. After that it shoot up from our support level. So there was another tradable opportunities, which is not a breakout opportunities, but still it is a proper tradable support level. Okay, so we got a trade of 7 points, which is 1%, more than 1%, which is a good trade. And after that next pick was M&M Finance. In M&M Finance also there was actually equal to the scenario in Godrej CP, because there was no breakout, but it completely respected our level here and here. You can see the price fell down in the morning session and took support over our support zone, and then rally towards the resistance zone. Before that there was a resistance zone that we have drawn yesterday. This was the resistance line. It was respected. There was a pullback right here, and after that it broke out and reached our resistance zone, the major resistance level. So if you enter right here, you could have earned a profit of 6 points, which is 2.79%. Okay, so risk players can hold till here, but safe player can even book profit right here, which itself is more than 1%, I think 1.91, which is near to 2%. Okay, so that was a proper tradable opportunity in Mahindra. So second opportunities was right here, because since the moment price reached our resistance zone, there was pure rejection from that area, and price tremendously fell down to the support level. So there are also actually same as a shorting opportunity equal to the buying opportunities in the morning itself. So it was a 0.24 not 0.24, it was 2.49 percentage, which is a 5.55 point profitable trade in M&M Finance in the noon session. So that was the case of M&M Finance. The next pick was HCL Tech. So in HCL Tech, it was actually not a perfect tradable opportunity, but still it respected our level, so you can consider it as a stop loss or false breakout, or even you can consider it as a pure rejection itself. But it's I always say that this price level is not exact line, it is a zone. So price exactly reverse from this zone, and price exactly reverse from this zone also. So people with experience can actually consider this as a false breakout and end right after the price start falling from here. So you can book profits till our support zone, and also you can have another profitable trade from this reversal point also. So I can't consider it as a perfect trade, but still it respected our level completely. So last pick was India Bull Housing Finance. In India Bull Housing, there was no confusion, there was a proper breakout in the evening session. So here was a breakout, and after that it really shoot up, giving us almost 1% profit, 1.86, almost 2% profit in the evening breakout, which is a handsome profit from a stock. So in total we got so many beautiful tradable opportunities. Not only breakout, we got price rejection from our level, and our levels are properly respected. So let's go to tomorrow's picks. So friends, today is 18/02 2021. So we are going to discuss about tomorrow's top picks. So first pick is Godrej CP. So Godrej CP is from today's watch list, yesterday's watch list. So it is actually the same level, and the studies are actually the same. So I'm not explaining what is in this what is behind this analysis. So you can see the yesterday's video to know or the reason for this level. So our levels are 725.80 this range, and 715 below a breakout, and 725 above a breakout, and next immediate resistance level is 732. So this is the scenario of Godrej CP. So next pick is Jindal Steel. So in Jindal Steel, we have previously discussed about the case of Jindal Steel. It is actually near to a resistance zone. This is the resistance zone. This white line above is the resistance zone in Jindal Steel. We actually have got pure trades in Jindal Steel. We have completely took these breakouts, catch these breakouts in previous days, and actually the current scenario is it is coming back from the resistance zone. It is kind of a reversal because it can't make the previous high, it can't make a higher high, it is a lower high. So probably there might be a trend reversal coming ahead. So we can consider the range, which is 325.45. this region. Below this region we can consider a breakdown, and for safe place I can consider another level also, which is 322, because there is another support level which is this dotted line. So below this dotted line there is a level 322. Below 322 we can get a sure shot breakdown, and for average risk players there is 325.45, this level. Below this level you can get another breakdown, which is the immediate support level. So for a breakout opportunity you can consider 332.80 above for breakout opportunity, and there is another immediate resistance level which is 335.75. so you can act accordingly. I'm not talking about a breakout, I'm not talking about price rejection. You can do both. They can just focus on the price action at that price level and focus on the candlestick pattern, what the candlestick is going to tell you. Just focus on that and trade. So next pick is Exide Industries. So in Exide Industries there is a channel pattern There was actually a big channel pattern before this channel pattern. This is that pattern, and after that we got a breakout, and this is a flag and pole correction currently running, which is a this is a pole and this is a flag. This is a flag and pole color correction. So the longer view is there is a uptrend, and this white line is the proper uptrend line which is being respected from last 1 year. So currently the price bounced back from this support zone and rallied maximum, and the correction is going on. So we can expect a breakdown from this level or a breakout from this level. This is also an important price level. So we can consider the level which is 216. Above 216 you can consider as a breakout level, and below 207 you can consider as a breakdown level. So after that you can consider this region, which is an important resistance zone, which is 222.55. That zone is an important resistance zone. So that is the case of Exide Industries. So you can take this point, this previous low and previous high, as the target. So I'm not specially mentioning the targets. You can simply consider target which is previous, the target for shorting trade is previous low, and target for long trade is previous high, and simply we can say 0.5% to 1% is the actual easiest target, okay, and safest target. Okay, so that is the case of Exide Industries. Next pick is Voltas. So in Voltas, the stock is rallying for few days or months, and after that here is a proper correction or in a downtrend. So in a big picture there was a big uptrend, and it took support over here in our uptrend and started rallying. There was a steep rally, and after that here there was a trend reversal, and for few days it was in a downtrend. So there are two possible opportunities: either it continues the trend, or it break out from this level and continue the uptrend, which is a bigger trend. Okay, so 1022 is the resistance zone, and another resistance zone is 1031. These two levels are the major important levels. So above this level we can consider this dotted line as the recent downtrend, which is the relevant trend. So we can consider breakout from this trend line from these two price levels. Okay, so we can consider 1022 and 1031. These are the two price levels. So next level is the support level, which is 1002. 1002.95. This zone is the support level. So you can consider breakdown below this level, which is an impulsive wave since it is a downtrend. Okay, so next immediate support level is 989.10, which is another important support level. Okay, so these are the levels for Voltas. So next pick is Max Finance Services. So in Max Financial Services there was a proper uptrend. This is the current trend line which we can draw in Max Financial Services, and in a longer time frame we can see that there is a bigger trend line which is also an uptrend. So recently the price shoot back from our support zone and it rallied like Voltas. It rallied and it shoot up and form a proper short-term uptrend, which is actually a steep uptrend. So probably there will be a correction coming ahead. So for the last 2 days there was a consolidation. There was a tight narrow consolidation for the last 2 days. So we can consider breakdown below this level or a breakout and impulsive wave above this level. So 883.85 above we can consider breakout, and 858.65 below we can consider breakdown. So this is the case of MFSL. So last pick is Sun Pharma, which is in a downtrend. The bigger picture, we can go to the bigger picture, which is in Sun Pharma. It is actually a proper channel pattern. It's like a channel pattern. There was a major resistance zone in the above area. This is a major resistance zone. So it was purely respected from the previous price history. We can track that this resistance zone is purely respected, and around this area there is a double top in the bigger time frame, which is right here. This is a double top which took resistance in both top at the major resistance zone, which is this resistance line. So probably this is the neckline, so we can expect a breakdown from this level, because this is the uptrend line, so we have to expect a correction and bounce to the, we have to expect the price to reach this zone in the near future. So this is a big picture actually. For the intraday relevance, we can consider these two price levels. 622, above 622 there is a trend line. This is the dotted trend line which we can draw from this previous price history. So above 622 we can expect a breakout, and below 613 we can expect a breakdown, and price is almost near to this level. Since this is a downtrend, we can expect a breakdown, and also this level is very important because this is the neckline of the double top which we have shown earlier. So this is the current scenario in Sun Pharma. These are the 6 picks that we are considering for tomorrow. So friends, that's it for today. So hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe button, and please put the bell icon on so that you will get the notification right after we upload the video. And hope you guys will make profit out of this. Goodbye.